Welcome to the demo of TECKOST, an online IT advisory and price discovery tool. Now, let us see how to use TECKOST. With TECKOST, you type in the requirement and count to 3. And voila! You get the right prices for optimum services or products you seek instead of the list prices. For the sake of this demonstration, let us consider 3 scenarios where the quantity of items across different IT products varies based on the location, but the overall item count remains the same. First, you need to register or log in if you have already registered. Click Login, which is at the top right of the page. Enter your email ID and password and click Login. You are landed on the home page. Now, you are all set to use the cost estimator to calculate the price for the products you are seeking to purchase. Let us begin with your right annual IT spend. Select an appropriate annual IT spend range of your choice from the annual IT spend drop-down list. Up to $1 million, $5 million, $50 million, $100 million, and $300 million. Next, select an appropriate location from the location drop-down list. It can be India, North America, UK, and so on. You are aware that the prices and discounts offered to companies would vary from country to country. You are also aware of the fact that very large enterprises get the highest discount from IT suppliers, and lesser discounts are offered to micro, small, and medium enterprises. However, procurement organizations can always get special discounts for one-time high-volume purchase, irrespective of their annual IT spend. Let's say a medium-sized company is buying 1,000 laptops in one go. They can easily target the discounts offered to very large organizations by IT suppliers. In the search bar on the home page, you can enter details of IT products that you are looking for, such as desktop, laptop, DLP, antivirus, firewall, URL filter, anti-spyware, server virtualization, storage, data switching, load balancer, and so on. And press Enter. You will get the list of items with prices and specifications within few seconds. This can be further refined or modified based on the products or specifications you would select. How would you select them? Select the checkbox against each line and click View Summary. In the quantity column, you can increase or decrease the quantities for all items selected on the summary page. As you update the quantity, you will notice the price varying across tiers, which is a cost simulator for users to take informed decision on IT operational costs. Click Add Other Expenses to add cost for other items such as IT resources cost, on-site travel expenses, labor components, deployment cost, and client reimbursable items, and so on. The search result can be saved, retrieved, and modified as and when you want it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned.